welcome to Alice's channel. And today, sorry guys. Hello. You want to know how to make fireworks in a jar? Oh, you are with the correct person. Well, let's get started! If you want to know how to make a periscope or a solar oven, I leave them below in the description. You will need a large jar, a small dish or bowl, water, vegetable oil, measuring spoons, food coloring, and a fork. Fill your jar 3/4 of the way with warm water. In your small bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add a few drops of food coloring to the oil. If you want, you can take your fork and mix the food coloring with oil together. Observe how the oil and food coloring interact. What do you think will happen when you pour this mixture in the jar? Take your fireworks mixture and gently pour into your jar. Observe what happens as the mixture settles. Since the oil is less dense than water, it will float on top. The food coloring will sink into the water and begin to dissolve. See if you can make cool patterns or shapes and put on a cool fireworks show for your friends. So that was fireworks in a jar experiment, and I hope you guys have learned and enjoyed it. I challenge you to do it. It's too easy. See you later. Bye.